Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are using the MotoPress hotel booking plugin in your website for hotel booking, I mean the accommodation process, but for a specific month, you want to block some sort of dates, like you want to block the days from Monday to Wednesday, okay, or you want to block some specific single day, like 14 August, like 20th August, like 25 August. So in the Moto Press hotel booking plugin, you can do this very easily. So in this video I will tell you that how you can easily block a specific date from front end, so that user can only book the available slots from the calendar. So right now you are viewing some dates for the August month, and you can easily book any type of date. For example, if you want to book 16, then you will uh, complete the steps like check in and then check out date, how many days you want to stay there. If you want to stay there only 3 days, then you can check 3 days in the calendar. But my question is, and my main opinion in this video is that I want to block the dates from 19th August to 25th August. So in this video I will tell you that how I will block these dates, I mean 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25th. So in the MotoPress hotel booking plugin, you can easily do this. So just follow me. So for this, you must go to your backend of the website, I mean the dashboard of the website. So after that, you will find two options. One is accommodation and second is booking. Because the calendar is directly related to the booking process, that is why I will go with the booking section. So in the booking section you will see an option written as booking rules. So you will follow the booking rules option, okay. So just click on this and you will see a lot of options for the booking rules, but I will go only with the block accommodation, so that you can easily block a specific day or the number of days in a sequence from 20th to 25th or 19th to 25th, so on, okay. So right now I will block the days from 19th to 25th. So in this video I will tell you that how to do this. So simply go to the block accommodation option and just click on add rule. And in add rule option, you will see a lot of options, but keep in mind you will select a particular accommodation which you want to in which you want to block some dates, like here is the accommodation name as Altus Penthouse 406. As here is only one accommodation, that is why I will select only this one. But if you have multiple accommodation like 2, 3, 4, 5, then you must select at least one accommodation so that you can apply the rules on that. So I will click on the, or I will select Altus Penthouse 406 accommodation type. Then you can follow this or you can select this, but you can click on all if you want. So the main point is to select the date from which you want to block the date. So in my case I want to block from date 19th to 25th. So here my first from option will be 19th August, okay, and my final day of block chain is 25th August. So I just select the days from 19th to 25th August, and now when I will do all other changes, then you will see that your whole scenario is booked or blocked. So then next, check all these options simply and then done, okay. And after that click on save changes. Now all changes are done, all changes are saved. Now you will see that the dates from 19th August to 25th August are blocked now. So just refresh this page and you will see that these dates are now blocked. So by using simple MotoPress hotel booking plugin, you can easily block the specific days or number of days for just one click. So I block these days. Okay, so in this way you can easily do this. This is the simple video and simple solution to block some specific days in the MotoPress hotel booking plugin. Okay, hopefully you find this video very helpful. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe my channel, also like and share this video. Thank you very much.